the rhetorical device you add for this essay is a simile. Everyone's probably done a simile, so you're going to throw that in somewhere. And then we're going to wrap it up. When you go to essay 7, you're going to be doing relation. And we'll talk about things that took place before and after the weather statement and how that helps, and move that over to our Annie chart. And then we'll add in, right up here, you're going to add in just a little narration. You're going to tell us the situation and the actions, basically what's related before and after this event. So give the reader just a little bit of information there. That's your situation and actions. And then for essay 7, you'll add in an alliteration, which is just repeating the first syllable of the word. So, you know, we kind of already did that once when we said Edmund sought safety. That sought safety is an alliteration there. So you're just adding in an alliteration. And then that's your complete form. So once you have the situation and the action that took place, that's your complete essay form with essay 7. So challenge A doesn't get to this one. So where we stopped is where we finished. B and 1 will go through 7. You'll add in that situation and actions. That's your complete form. Now you've given them the complete example. You walk through the proofs and you've told the other side, and then you're concluding what is best. Then with essays 8 and 9, you're going to continue building on that testimony. For your essay 8, you'll build that testimony Annie chart, worksheet into Annie chart. And then essay 9, you don't add any more for invention. You just keep working the ones you've already done. And then for essay 8, you'll add a metaphor, which is simple. Everyone's done metaphors. We only go to 7. So challenge 1 adds in a metaphor.
Hey teachers, thanks for popping in and watching this video. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Erica Lynn and I'm a homeschooling mom. I have 4 kids and I have been teaching them for over 10 years now. We use a classical approach to schooling, so I've been using My Father's World and Classical Conversations. It's my goal to help homeschooling become easy for you too. So I'm taking all the tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and I'm putting them here for you to see. So congratulations on making it to the end of the video. Would you just pop a hearts emoji into the comments so that I know you watched the whole thing? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And if you liked this video about the LTW curriculum, you need to check here to see the next video in this series. You guys have a great day, and remember, you are already enough.